Guys, and welcome back to Chefe's kitchen. Oh my gosh, wait. I got this beautiful apron. It says Chefe, queen of the kitchen. I got it for my birthday, so I'm gonna wear it in all the videos from now on. You're gonna see the pink apron and you're gonna enjoy it because this is my new attire. If I wear a jacket, I'm gonna wear it over it. Doesn't matter, doesn't matter. I'm getting regular with the videos. We back, baby. We getting back, baby. We doing the damn thing proper. How was your day been? How was your week been? Did you do anything interesting? Anything not interesting? Go on any days? Did you not go on any days? What did you do this weekend? Leave a comment down below. I wanna know. Cause this weekend gone, it was my birthday. It was Chefe's birthday. We older, we wiser, we richer in Jesus' name. How did you guys spend your weekend? Seriously, let me know. Did you cook a new meal? Did you try out a new meal? Because I know someone tried out my mac and cheese because they sent it to me. Did any of you guys try out a new meal? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is another one of our Try This Tuesdays where we're gonna try one of these like crazed recipes or whatever, and today's recipe that we're trying is that Popeyes chicken one. It's really quick. He says I'm gonna add this, then add this, then add this. Now he does it so quick. I'm thinking, bro, like chill out, bro. I was in the shop, I was in Asda shopping, and I was like, you're going so fast, I don't know what I need to buy. That's what we're gonna make, the Popeyes chicken sandwich. Apparently people are going crazy for this. I ain't never had Popeyes before. I don't know. I live in the United Kingdom of the United, I wanted to say United States of A, but United K of Kingdom. I live in the United Kingdom. We don't really have a Popeyes here, so unfortunately I haven't been able to try this, so I won't be able to authenticate whether this tastes nice or not. So if it tastes nice, I'm just gonna say that's how it tastes, and no one's gonna be able to disprove me. So on top of that, I have been challenged by my mate who got onto me and said, you keep cooking with the same ingredients like say you don't know how to cook. So challenge, I'm not gonna use this. I can only use 2 of the ingredients that I usually use in every video. Only 2. Salt doesn't count. Salt is not an ingredient. Salt is not a seasoning. It's not. I keep saying, I said ingredient, but I meant seasoning. My friend kept saying I use the same seasoning. So I felt attacked and I said, you know what? I'm gonna change my ways. So I can only use 2 of the usual seasonings that I usually use. Salt is not a seasoning, okay? Don't let this, salt is not a seasoning. No. Pepper is not a seasoning. So the other seasonings I usually use curry powder, thyme, paprika powder, oregano, Maggi cube, garlic powder. I'm only allowed to use 2 of them in each videos for the next couple videos until I say the challenge is over, until I get bored. We're gonna make the Popeyes chicken sandwich, okay? Now, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, cool, we're ready to start. Let's get into our list of ingredients. Obviously we have chicken breast. I'll probably just end up using 1 packet. The guy used thighs. I don't have thighs, I'm using breast. Okay. Mayonnaise. Sliced pickled gherkins. We used pickles. I did not know where to look for the pickles, but I went to Lidl and I saw sliced pickled gherkins. I said, yup, there's it. So sliced pickled gherkin, Tabasco sauce, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, plain flour, paprika, brioche bun, 2 eggs. He said buttermilk, but I didn't have that and I couldn't find regular milk in my house for some reason. I don't know when we drank coconut milk, but we have coconut milk. Corn flour, he said cornstarch. I don't know if corn flour and cornstarch are the same, but I happen to have this in my house, so let me check. Hey Siri, are cornstarch and corn flour the same?
Okay, I found this on the web for cornstarch and corn flour the same. Check it out. Yeah,
so it's the same. UK corn flour equals cornstarch and US corn flour equals cornmeal. So UK corn flour, this is corn flour, it's cornstarch. So we're good to go. First things first, what I'm gonna do is wash the chicken. So let's do that now.
Start with that chicken thigh, pat it dry.
And he says start with the chicken thigh, pat it dry. I don't know if the same applies for chicken breasts, but I'm gonna do the same, so pat it dry. Get all that moisture out of it. Yeah. We're done with that.
Dry. Get them all in a bowl. Season them all with Tabasco, cayenne, salt, pepper, and garlic powder.
Now I need to season these. Tabasco. I've never tried Tabasco before, you know. Let me give it a try before I add it to the chicken. Oh, Oh, that is nice. Oh, nope. Anyway, let's add that. Oh, that is not nice. I'm sad for this already. You people that put Tabasco, you Americans that put Tabasco on everything. This is what you lot are tasting. Damn, you're not enjoying, are you? I put like half the bottle. He didn't have any measurements, so is this how you lot feel when I don't have measurements? I don't understand. Tabasco, cayenne, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. All right.
Mix it up until it looks just like that.
Then he says mix it. This does not smell pleasing at all, I won't lie. Is that Tabasco, this tin? Oh gee, oh Lord. Let me smell it. Guys, it doesn't smell nice. Looks a bit more orange than mine, so I'm gonna add a bit more cayenne, salt, and pepper. Also, I've already put the oil in the deep fryer. He used a shallow fryer, but I'm using a deep fryer because I made chicken wings like not too long ago, and I don't want to waste the oil because oil is not cheap. All right, that's that. Gonna leave that for a sec and put that to the side there.
2 cups of flour, cayenne, paprika, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. That's the flour mix.
Now let's make the flour. Here we go. Again, he didn't tell me any measurements. He said 2 cups. What is cups in UK? I don't want to get. Oh wait. I have one of these things. If you don't have one of these things, you need to go out and get it. So this is 1 cup. Cayenne, paprika. I believe he said black pepper. I'm out of black pepper. For shame, Chefe. Wow, Chef has no black pepper. Bummy. Cornstarch. Again, he didn't say how much. So cayenne, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. All right, flour mix done.
2 eggs, buttermilk. You're gonna want to mix that up.
2 eggs. He said buttermilk, coconut milk. It's the same thing, right? Right? Milk is milk. All right, this is our coconut milk and water and 2 eggs. It's not what he said, but it's what I said. And you know what? It's my kitchen. So why is it what the hell I want?
For that, over the chicken, mix up the chicken, get it in there.
Add the egg mixture to the chicken.
Let it sit. Then coat the chicken very well in the flour.
He said let it sit, so I'm gonna let it sit while I turn the deep fryer back on. All right, that's enough sitting for me. We're gonna coat it very well, like he said, in the flour, and then we'll let it sit, and then we'll take it to fry it. All right, here we go. I just want to be him, I'm not gonna lie. His video went viral. God, I see what you can do for others. This looks like very well coated, right? What do you say? Pretty coated? Yeah, place it down there. We're done.
Spicy mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne, Tabasco. Simple mix.
We're gonna make the spicy mayo. I've made a mess. That's what I've made. He said mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne. I think he added Tabasco. Simple. Mix it up. Question for you guys: do you put your mayo in the fridge or do you leave it out? Let me know. Let me try this. Okay, not bad. Well, the Tabasco thing doesn't taste so bad when other stuff are overpowering it. Because on its own, I do. So we're gonna head over there and fry our chicken.
Oil in. Check that it's hot enough. Has to be hot enough. You want to hear that noise. Chicken thigh, 5 to 6 minutes each side, golden brown, and flip. Okay, so oil says check that's hot enough. You want to be hot enough. You want to hear this is also. I'm pretty sure it's hot enough. It's been on for a while. Don't mind the color of the oil and the like little chicken issues. I've only used this oil once before, and that was to make chicken wings. Okay, so let me grab the chicken and let's fry it up. He says 5 minutes on each side, but yeah, it's definitely hot enough. Since it's a deep fryer, it may just need to be like 5 minutes total, but we'll see. Let's go. Oh, look at that! It's crisping up. Oh my gosh, is cornflour the answer to all my prayers? I think it might be. And that is thyme. I don't know if it's cooked though. It looks cooked. I don't know if it's actually cooked, so that's why I did the small one. Let me see. Let me give it a taste. Yeah, that's this is tang. Done. Guys, I don't know if this is what Popeyes tastes like, but if it is, I get the hype. Alright, let's just finish up with these ones and then we'll come back once they're all done and we'll plate them.
All right, this batch too. Listen, these are good. These are real good. I ain't even lying though. I would never lie to y'all, ever. Let's head back over to the workspace.
After that, take it out, just like that. Toasted brioche bun, spicy mayonnaise both sides, pickles, that chicken, top it. Yes.
Okay, we're back over to our workspace. I'm gonna go ahead and toast one of these brioche thingies, and we interrupt the show for Chefe trying to open this. What's this called? Tin? This isn't a tin. A can? This isn't a can. Bottle. Open this bottle of gherkins. Ready? Ooh, I didn't think it was gonna be that hard. Oh my god. Nope. What the hell? Chefe 0. Can 1. Let me get my brother. Josh. We opened it. Oh my gosh, I burnt the brioche. Oh. Let's do it again. I'm gonna put these. I don't want to throw them away because there's hungry children out there. I'm gonna put them to the side and let someone else throw them away for me. Avoiding responsibility all 2020 long. Take 2. At this point, it's my toaster because it's on the lowest setting. So, I don't know why it got, I mean, better than before, but I don't know why it still did that. All right, let's spread this and do what he says. He said mayo on both sides. I feel like SpongeBob. And then on the bottom pieces, we're gonna put, since these are huge, we're gonna put like 2. Imagine I just come home and my mom's just in the living room eating gherkins. I'll actually be so weirded out. I wonder what gherkins taste like on the road. Should I try one? You know, like pregnant women crave like pickles and stuff. Like why? Let's give it a try. That's nice. I prefer that to the McDonald's one. Okay, everyone's getting 1 piece of chicken per burger. Yeah. Oh, look at that gherkin just making one for it. Those gherkins are actually nice, especially compared to like the ones in Big Macs. Those Big Mac ones taste like, whew, taste like struggle. They taste like low wages. They just taste unhappy. Alright guys, that has been me creating the Popeyes chicken burger. This crazy Popeyes chicken burger. I haven't tried it yet. I will try it on camera, but I'm a messy eater and I don't want to embarrass myself. I'm not in the mood to embarrass myself. I'm not gonna do that. But I tried everything individually. I tried the chicken on its own. I tried the chicken with the spicy mayo. I tried the chicken and the spicy mayo and the gherkin. It goes down, I won't lie. It won't lie. Oh, you see, but okay, it's eyeing me. Oh, stop. Why are you looking? Stop. I'm shy there. Stop looking at me, man. Okay. I'll eat you in a second. Alright. Has been me recreating that Popeyes chicken video, the viral one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more stuff like this has been Try This Tuesday. If you have a video you want me to try, send it to me, DM me, snap me, Twitter DM me, whatever you want, DM me, get in contact with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, eat well, eat healthy, and eat what? Right. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye.